Welcome to a day in my life as a girl trying to break into tech. Hi, I'm Ale and I live in Peru. I'm studying Cybersecurity Engineering and I'm also a programmer, a gamer, and a lover of books. I'm building a startup too. This is what chasing a dream looks like, even when no one around you fully gets it yet. Most days start at 6 a.m. I head straight to the university gym, and it's small but it does the job. Fitness clears my mind, especially before long days of coding, math, and existential dread sometimes. After the gym, I'll usually grab breakfast. Then I try to find a quiet study spot on campus. Usually the library or the cubicle if I'm early enough. I'm in my first year of cybersecurity engineering. It's a career that is still new in Latin America, but for me, this path started when I was 13. I taught myself to code and fell deep into the world of old school hacking shows and tech rabbit holes. Since then, I knew that I didn't want to just technology. I want to understand it, and I spent hours of solving problems, debugging code, learning about networks and encryptions. And at night, I switched to English and French classes because I want to work globally someday. I'm also working on a small agri-tech startup that it's in a very early stage. But for now, I'm just learning to build not just code, but teams, ideas, and patience. And yeah, outside of the hustle, I'm a gamer. And they help me reset, remind me that there's more to life than grades or deadlines. Obviously, there are days when I doubt myself, when I feel like I'm too behind, too young, and too different, but I remind myself that this is a long game. And every day I show up, I become a little more of the person I want to be. Like studying tech as a girl in Latin America isn't always easy, but it's worth it because we need more voices here and I want to be one of them. If you're someone like me, like young, unsure, but dreaming big, you're not alone. I truly recommend you keep going. And thanks for spending the day with me. If you made this far, maybe we're not that different after all.